Welcome to explore the travel world.
In today's video, we're diving into Exploring India, a food lover's travel guide for beginners. India is a culinary paradise, bursting with diverse flavors and dishes that reflect its rich culture. Whether you're craving street food, regional specialties, or traditional cuisine, this guide will help you navigate the vibrant food scene and ensure you savor every delicious moment. Let's get started on this tasty adventure. Number 1. Delhi, Street Food Hub. Delhi, the bustling capital of India, is famous for its vibrant street food culture that attracts food lovers from around the globe. The streets are lined with countless stalls offering a variety of delectable treats, from spicy chaats to mouth-watering parathas. Iconic dishes like golgappas, crispy hollow puris filled with spicy water, and chole bhature, spicy chickpeas served with fried bread, are must-tries. Delhi's street food scene is a melting pot of flavors, showcasing the city's diverse culinary heritage, which includes influences from various regions of India. Visitors can explore neighborhoods like Chandni Chowk, where food stalls come alive with rich aromas and vibrant colors. With every bite, Delhi's street food offers a unique taste of local culture and culinary innovation, making it an essential experience for anyone visiting this historic city. Number 2. Mumbai, Vada Pav City. Mumbai, the bustling financial capital of India, is not only famous for its iconic skyline and Bollywood, but also for its beloved street food, particularly the famous Vada Pav. Often referred to as Mumbai's version of a burger, the Vada Pav consists of a spicy potato fritter, vada, sandwiched between a soft bread roll, pav, and served with chutneys and fried green chilies. This delectable snack can be found at numerous roadside stalls throughout the city, especially near the bustling train stations. Mumbai's street food scene also includes a variety of other favorites, such as pav bhaji, bel puri, and dabeli. The city's diverse culinary landscape reflects its multicultural populace, making it a paradise for food enthusiasts eager to explore the flavors of this vibrant metropolis. Number 3. Kolkata, Bengali sweets. Kolkata, the cultural capital of India, is renowned for its rich culinary heritage, particularly its exquisite sweets that tantalize the taste buds. Bengali sweets, known for their unique flavors and textures, are an integral part of the city's food scene. Iconic treats like rasgulla, spongy cheese balls soaked in sugar syrup, and sandesh, fresh cheese delicacies, can be found at numerous sweet shops throughout the city. Kolkata's sweet makers, or mistis, are skilled artisans who create these delightful confections using traditional techniques and local ingredients. The city's vibrant festivals, such as Durga Puja, also feature an array of sweets that showcase the culinary artistry of Bengali culture. For those with a sweet tooth, Kolkata offers a delightful journey into the world of desserts that reflects its rich traditions and cultural influences. Number 4. Chennai, Dosa specialty. Chennai, the capital of Tamil Nadu, is famed for its distinctive South Indian cuisine, with dosa taking center stage. This crispy, fermented rice and lentil crepe is typically served with a variety of chutneys and sambar, a spicy lentil soup, making it a popular breakfast choice among locals. Chennai is home to numerous eateries, from bustling roadside stalls to upscale restaurants, where you can savor this beloved dish. The city's culinary scene also includes other traditional delights, such as idli, steamed rice cakes, and uttapam, thick pancakes topped with vegetables. With its emphasis on fresh ingredients and bold flavors, Chennai offers a true taste of South Indian cuisine, making it a must-visit destination for food lovers eager to experience the unique culinary traditions of the region. Number 5. Hyderabad, famous biryani. Hyderabad, a city rich in history and culture, is celebrated for its world-famous biryani, a fragrant rice dish made with basmati rice, tender meat, and aromatic spices. The Hyderabadi biryani is a culinary masterpiece, known for its unique layering technique that infuses each grain of rice with flavor. Visitors to the city can indulge in this iconic dish at numerous restaurants, each claiming to offer the best version. Apart from biryani, Hyderabad's cuisine also features an array of delectable dishes, such as halim, a rich meat stew, and kebabs. The city's culinary heritage reflects a blend of Mughal and local flavors, making it a gastronomic haven for those looking to explore the richness of Indian cuisine. Number 6. Jaipur, Rajasthani Thali. Jaipur, the pink city of India, is famous for its vibrant culture and delicious Rajasthani cuisine, particularly the iconic Rajasthani Thali. This traditional platter features an assortment of dishes, including dal bati churma, lentils, baked wheat balls, and sweet crumbled bread, gat ki sabzi, gram flour dumplings and curry, and various chutneys and pickles. The Thali experience allows diners to sample a wide range of flavors and textures that reflect the region's culinary heritage. Jaipur is also known for its street food scene, where visitors can enjoy snacks like payaz kachori, spiced onion pastries, and lassi, a refreshing yogurt drink. The vibrant colors and rich flavors of Jaipur's cuisine make it a feast for the senses, making it a must-visit for food lovers. Number 7. Amritsar, Lunga Meals. Amritsar, the spiritual heart of Sikhism, is not only famous for the Golden Temple, but also for its communal lunga meals that offer a unique dining experience. Every day, thousands of visitors are welcomed to the temple, where they are served a simple yet hearty meal of dal, lentils, roti, flatbread, and sabzi, vegetable curry, in a spirit of equality and service. The lunga tradition emphasizes the values of community, humility, and sharing, with volunteers working tirelessly to prepare and serve food to all, regardless of background. Amritsar's culinary scene also includes regional specialties like Amritsari kulcha, stuffed bread, and jalandhari chicken. The blend of spirituality and culinary tradition makes Amritsar a unique destination for those seeking both nourishment and a deeper connection to Sikh culture. Number 8. Cochin, Seafood Paradise. Cochin, or Kochi, is a coastal city in Kerala known for its stunning backwaters and rich maritime history. This city is a seafood lover's paradise, with an abundance of fresh fish, shrimp, and crab caught daily from the Arabian Sea. Traditional Kerala-style seafood dishes, such as fish moili, fish cooked in coconut milk, and prawns masala, showcase the region's culinary expertise and vibrant spices. Cochin's bustling markets, like the famous Mattancherry Fish Market, offer a glimpse into the local fishing culture. Visitors can also enjoy the city's stunning waterfront views while dining at seaside restaurants, savoring the flavors of the sea. The combination of fresh ingredients, traditional cooking methods, and the coastal atmosphere makes Cochin a must-visit destination for seafood enthusiasts. Number 9. Pune, Misal Pav favorite. Pune, a vibrant city in Maharashtra, is known for its rich cultural heritage and, most notably, its love for misal pav. This iconic dish consists of a spicy mixture of sprouted lentils and potatoes, served with soft bread rolls, pav, and accompanied by tangy chutneys and onions. Misal pav is a popular breakfast choice for locals and can be found at numerous eateries and roadside stalls throughout the city. Pune's culinary scene also includes other regional specialties, such as vada pav and bakarwadi. The city's thriving food culture reflects a blend of traditional Maharashtrian flavors and modern influences, making it a delightful destination for food lovers eager to explore its diverse offerings. Number 10. Lucknow, Awadhi cuisine. Lucknow, the capital of Uttar Pradesh, is famed for its rich culinary heritage, particularly its exquisite Awadhi cuisine. Known for its slow-cooked dishes, Lucknow is home to the legendary kebabs, including tunde kababi and seekh kebabs, which are marinated in aromatic spices and grilled to perfection. The city's biryani, characterized by its fragrant rice and tender meat, is another must-try dish. Awadhi cuisine also features rich gravies and breads, such as rumali roti and parathas, served alongside a variety of chutneys and salads. Lucknow's street food scene, with bustling markets and roadside stalls, allows visitors to sample a wide array of flavors that showcase the region's culinary traditions. The elegance and refinement of Awadhi cuisine make Lucknow a gastronomic delight for any food enthusiast.
Thanks for watching Explore the Travel World. We hope you enjoyed this journey with us. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow travelers. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting adventures and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Until our next exploration, keep wandering, keep discovering, and keep exploring the world.